In a statement move, the Supreme Court today upheld the Delhi LG's decision to nominate 10 aldermen to the Municipal Corporation of the national capital without consulting the cabinet of the Kejriwal administration. Now, according to the country's apex court, the LG's power to nominate members to the Delhi Municipal Corporation is a statutory power and not an executive one. Now, last year, on the 17th of May, the top court had stated that granting the LG the authority to nominate aldermen to the capital's municipal corporation could potentially destabilize an elected civic body. For those unaware, the Municipal Corporation of Delhi consists of 250 elected members and 10 nominated members. Aam Aadmi Party MP Sanjay Singh has expressed his complete disagreement over the Supreme Court's decision and called it a very big blow to Indian democracy.
देखिए, मैं समझता हूं कि ये भारत के लोकतंत्र के लिए एक बहुत बड़ा झटका है और एक चुनी हुई सरकार को बाईपास करके आप सारे अधिकार एलजी को देते जा रहे हैं कि एलजी अपने डंडे से दिल्ली को चलाएगा। मैं समझता हूं कि ये लोकतंत्र के लिए और भारत के संविधान के लिए ठीक नहीं है। तो इसलिए जो माननीय सर्वोच्च न्यायालय का फैसला आया है, पूरे आदर के साथ मैं ये कहना चाहता हूं कि इस फैसले से हम लोग बिल्कुल असहमत हैं और ये दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है फैसला, लोकतंत्र के भावना के खिलाफ है फैसला और जो सुनवाई के दौरान कोर्ट की टिप्पणी थी उसके बिल्कुल विपरीत फैसला है ये।
The Supreme Court verdict has come regarding the appointment of aldermen, and it has stated that LG has the powers to appoint these aldermen, as LG cannot work as per the advice given by the elected governments. How do you see this, sir?
What this judgment has shown is that both Kejriwal and his Aam Aadmi Party is either illiterate about what the constitution, powers and the laws say, or is deliberately telling lies and misguiding the people of Delhi. Now, the difficult question that comes up for them is that how many other areas have they really lied on? Because they constantly put the blame on everybody else. In this case, the Supreme Court has said that no, it is the Aam Aadmi Party which has been misleading everybody. So we don't really know all the other various controversies that they have given rise to. Perhaps, in probably more, more than not, they've been wrong. So this, frankly speaking, almost is like a slap on the entire credibility and the fact that they even speak any truth of the Aam Aadmi Party government.
Supreme Court categorically deciding on yet another LG versus Kejriwal, Centre versus Kejriwal battle pending in Supreme Court, very clearly saying that the LG can independently unilaterally appoint 10 aldermen to the MCD house, and he does not need the aid and advice of the Council of Ministers, the cabinet headed by the Arvind Kejriwal, and he only has to go by the statute, the power given by the statute, that is the Delhi Municipal Corporation Act. In fact, this judgment came as a shock for the Aam Aadmi Party because during the hearing, the interim orders and the observations of the Supreme Court had gone in favor of the Aam Aadmi Party, because soon after admitting the petition, the Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud had restrained the 10 aldermen from voting in mayoral polls, ward committees and standing committee election till the petition filed by Aam Aadmi Party is decided. That is, they had challenged the appointment of aldermen without aid and advice of the cabinet.
And in